What's up, y'all? It's Michael with Mad Mice Customs, working on this 240SX. Right here, doing a documentation of the engine and the main box. Right here, I want to just document. We're going to be changing out this blown fuse. I don't know about these just yet, but I would assume they're not well. We're going to check all these. We notice on the battery it has these for ground cables. This is sound audio wire cable. One goes here to a main ground outlet with many cables unplugged. And the other one goes to the engine, which is not adequate ground wire. This is insufficient ground gauging wire. The grade of copper is too cheap, already fried and burned. We'll come back.